And all that is fine. But are you going to be a real time doer or just a wisher? That I wish for this and things will happen, and some Aladdin ka chirag is going to come and you will just ghiso it, and then you find that whatever you have desired you will get. ऐसा होता नहीं है बेटा लाइफ में. Every desire that you have must be followed up with action. और आपको मालूम है आप लोग ऐसी इंस्टीट्यूट के साथ बंधे हो जिसका फ्लैग दादा वासवानी जी. What a noble soul. And if you go through his teachings only, you will highly be successful in anything that you do. Just his teachings. He was not a corporate leader that way, but he was a spiritual leader. But his teachings are all about corporate leadership. And those of you who could not make it on Saturday now, my question to you is, of course, Vaishali ma'am must have done whatever she did, went out, reached out to each one of you, right? Whatever she did. Did you feel proud of yourself? Just answer yes or no.
No, sir.
I'm 100% sure it is. So that learning is what kind of inner world you are making. You have given a commitment. Discipline is what is needed to accomplish your dreams. We are doing something about mind engineering for you, which is going to create a robust engine, which is going to make you fly different heights. Now you desire to do that, but action is missing. Tomorrow, when you do not get what you are expecting, depression is 100% outcome. Grief is 100% outcome. What are you designing? You're designing to be depressed in life. That is not what you want. Is that what you want? Answer yes or no in the chat box.
No, sir.
Now the next question to the entire class. Commitment is something needed in the corporate world also.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Deadlines will be there in corporate world also.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Right? Compassion for others. Other people have come on time and now you are the cause for cancellation. What kind of karma that you have gathered? I have also gathered karma because I was unfair to these 20 people who were there, showed up on time. On Saturday, my inner world also became smaller because it was injustice to those 20 people. So I was forced to do that because the message I wanted to send to all of you was to give this learning that commitment will make you do some sacrifices. It doesn't happen. When anybody comes to you, tomorrow they'll come in the corporate world, they'll say, okay, I want your help. It's easy to say that I'll help you. When I took on commitment, when Vaishali ji very gracefully gave me this opportunity to shape up your minds, and I'm thankful to SWIMS for that, because it is genuinely a pleasure for me to work with young children, because you are the future. You are the future India. And I like to see that my future India has a mind which is having such horsepower that it is going to drive organizations. We want to create Amazons here. We want to create Apples here in India. And that requires powerful CEOs. You're learning all the tricks of the business. But all those tricks will fail if you don't have a powerful mind. And this course, you should be very, very, very lucky, feeling lucky that you are now making that. So, okay. Therefore, commitment is something, and commitment to come on time. For those who are still walking in, and it's 10:12, and 10 o'clock we were to start. Again, some learnings about commitment. What is it that makes it so difficult to start the class at 10, which is a committed time? What makes it so difficult for anyone to meet this commitment? I just want answers from those who came on time. Actually, anybody can answer, because everybody finds it difficult. But commitment is something which is needed to grow in the corporate world. But what is it that you find difficult to meet? A time commitment, a deadline commitment? What is it? Just to show up in time. And you guys are all students. I don't think any of you is working. I want your insights so that we learn some concepts on how to handle those difficulties. But I'm not asking this question to make you feel bad. I'm asking this question to gain insights so that we are all becoming better people in overcoming those challenges. Can you please put it up on chat box? What challenges come in your way which disable you to meet the time deadline just for this class? Let's talk about this specific case. क्योंकि ये कमिटमेंट, टाइम कमिटमेंट नहीं आया जिंदगी में, तो तुम्हारा कॉर्पोरेट ग्रोथ इज गोइंग टू सफर बिग टाइम. डेडलाइंस को रिस्पेक्ट करना नहीं आया तो आप फैमिली में भी, बच्चे बड़े होके जा रहे हैं, उनको खाना बनाना, नाश्ता बनाना, किसी दिन उनका जो है आपका टिफिन रह जाएगा. और ये बच्चे तुम्हारे ही हैं, जरूरी नहीं है. यू मे बी पार्ट ऑफ अ बिग फैमिली, एंड आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट दोज हु आर डिजायरस ऑफ बिकमिंग powerful housewives, and people listen to them and respect them. क्योंकि ये एक आर्ट है to meet commitment on time, जो मैं आप लोग को सिखा देना चाहता हूं आज. पर आपको क्या क्या डिफिकल्टीज आती हैं ये बताइए पहले. और डिफिकल्टीज आती है, मेरे को भी मालूम है, मेरे को भी आती है. And imagine today my customer called up from Korea. वो 3.5 घंटा आगे हैं customer, and he wanted to have a long chat. What did I tell him? How did I handle my 10 o'clock commitment? All I told him was respectfully, Mr. So-and-so, I have a 10 o'clock commitment, so I have to go, but I promise to call you in 1 hour, 10 minutes. Will that be convenient? He said, no, I have a meeting. How about 2 hours? I said, okay, I'll call you in 2 hours. I handled it. He's happy, and I'll make him happier when I call him back after 2 hours. But this particular commitment which I made with you, I have to. He was perhaps talking about some new business to be given to me. What am I doing? I'm taking the risk. My competitor may get. But am I honoring your commitment? I am. So I'm waiting for your chat, so that we gain insights. आपके रास्ते में आता क्या है? हाँ, मैं देर से उठी. Okay, put it up. Because these are the things that you will have to learn to deal with. What are the difficulties? I want to find out. And if it was purely mental or habit that I always show up late, then say, yes, it's my habit to show up. That's fine. We'll change that habit. We'll work on that. Why? Because it is critical for you to become a millionaire. And if I ask the question, how many of you want to become millionaire? You will all say yes. तो मेरे को बताइए, कोई भी कमिटमेंट, चलो ये क्लास का छोड़ो, कोई भी कमिटमेंट मीट करने के लिए आपको क्या क्या डिफिकल्टीज आती हैं? इंग्लिश नहीं आता है तो हिंदी में बोल दो मेरे को, so that we start. Today's topic is commitment and deadline. The importance of these two spiritual qualities that we must imbibe for our own happiness. Money is one part of happiness. Money will make. But I want an interactive session. What are the difficulties that come in our way to meet deadlines, to meet our commitments? Over to you. अगर आप लोग नहीं बोलोगे तो मैं भी चुप बैठूंगा.
Girls, please participate.
I can have my tea. Vaishali ma'am.
Sure, sir.
Unfortunately, ये कोर्स आप लोग के इंटरेक्शन के बिना I will not be able to do justice. You can take 2 minutes, put down your thoughts on the chat box. I want to see. I want to talk to you. If you prefer talking, fine. Should I pick up someone? Saili Rathod. Are you there? Saili? Put up on chat if you are there.
Saili?
Only if you are there, put it up on chat. Kalpana Singh. Are you there, Kalpana? Time management, Shraddha says, absolutely. तो टाइम कैसे मैनेज करना है उसका अभी I'll give you guru mantras for time management. Shraddha, you want some mantras for time management?
Yes, sir, it will help definitely.
Okay, we will talk about time management. देखो how these things are interrelated. They are all time management. अगर आप corporate world में नहीं करोगे, you are not going to grow. So Kalpana is also not there, ma'am, I think.
Kalpana Singh, are you there?
नहीं है वो. मानसी शेंदे.
Ansi?
Mansi, are you there? Manisha says planning issues, poor time management, poor communication. Okay. Jayanti Naidu, Rutuja, what are the difficulties that come in the way of? If you are there, first say, yes, I am there. ये पुअर नेटवर्क इश्यूज ज्योतिका आजकल नहीं आता है ज्यादातर, unless you are in some remote part of India or you have not really planned yourself to live in the new digital world. So I'll highly recommend most of you to really go for a bigger bandwidth, because this digital world is here to stay. You are traveling since 3 days, okay, that can happen. But again, आजकल तो Vodafone, Jio, whoever you have, you can. So I don't know, again, unless you are in remote part. Falak. Okay, let's get back to, mainly people are saying, Manisha, what do you mean when you said poor communication? Manisha ji, can you unmute? Can we speak?
Manisha, please unmute yourself and you can talk. Yes, Manisha unmuted. Yes, Manisha.
Please.
You can talk in Hindi also,
Hindi.
no problem.
हिंदी मराठी कुछ भी चलेगा.
Manisha, we can't hear you.
I think this is a real issue. People have laptops, but they don't have, I think, good either good connectivity, or they have not really worked on their microphone and speakers, etc. Okay, Manisha, you can put up in the chat box. We can't hear you because I wanted to know poor communication matlab kya. But let's talk about time management first. Huh? Time management is all about fixing priorities and then having the intention to meet those priorities. This intention comes in, quote unquote. Now, I'm giving you one of the actual stories of my life when I was a student. And we had one instructor who really changed my life. Okay. And we used to have classes in Jamnalal Bajaj, and it was a Bharat Bandh called by all the parties. And those days, of course, koi bhi chalega nahi, best bus nahi chalegi, trains, were essential services chal rahi hongi, but people were so, Bandh meaning the whole Bombay city comes to a grinding halt. And we had this instructor who was like me only, the way I keep pulling you people to, enhance your performance on basic thing like coming on time. He was also, I owe what I am today to him actually. In fact, a lot I accomplished in my life, I owe to how he shaped up my personality when I was on campus. And the course he was taking was financial planning. And he came up, and of course, he was a visiting faculty in Jamnalal Bajaj. We always have had 95% are visiting faculty from industry. Because today also we say our campus is Nariman Point. Most of the professors who come and teach are practicing managers, very senior people from the corporate world. So he had some commitments and he could not cancel the lecture. तो सर ने हमको बोला कि देखो भारत बंद वगैरह, I don't know, but we are going to have a lecture. And we were a class of 44 people, just like you maybe. And everyone said, sir, but how will we come? हमारा 1.5 घंटे का लेक्चर हुआ करता था. तो सर forgot about financial planning. कहता how will you come means what? भारत बंद ही तो है. I know there will be difficulties. अगर तुम हमेशा 1 घंटा लेते हो प्लानिंग के लिए तो उस दिन 2 घंटा लेना. But I am going to have a lecture. And whoever doesn't show up on time, हमारा वहाँ पे, I don't know how it is, Vaishali ma'am, in your institute, but हमारा 40% was internal evaluation. और आज भी वैसा ही होता है. That if student fails in internal evaluation, minimum passing marks in internal evaluation is again 60%. And if the student fails in internal evaluation, even if he has passed in the written paper, he doesn't get degree. class participation is a must at JBIMS. And class participation these days we decide based on the chat. And if there is somebody, I'm just giving ideas, Vaishali ma'am, for better control.
Yeah, sir.
And
in
if
our case, sir, in SPPU 50% is there, internal evaluation 50%, and from SPPU 50% assessment is there, evaluation is there.
हाँ, but ये जो chat आ रही है ना, हम इसको बेस बनाते हैं internal evaluation का for each class.
Yeah, sir, yeah.
And if someone who's not interacting in writing,
Yes.
okay, doesn't pass in the internal evaluation, and
Yes, sir.
doesn't pass, he doesn't get degree, he doesn't
Yes,
get
sir.
placed.
Yes,
Placement
sir.
भी हो जाती है तो he cannot join.
Yes, sir.
So सर ने हमारे को ऐसा ही बोला कि अब, and we were really afraid of doing things that you people do, and I'm surprised how you are able to do this. So he declared class hogi. Everybody was cribbing, complaining, and of course hating him at that point in time. Sir बोले मैं भी जो है, and he at those days he used to stay, I think, in Borivali or somewhere. He said, I am also going to come. So if I can come, you can come. Usually 9 o'clock morning. Of course, each one of us walked. People who had to come by train, they started early. When they went down, they discovered no auto, no buses. So क्या करें? Somebody took a, कोई जा रहा था मोटरसाइकिल पे, कोई जा रहा था गाड़ी में, किसी ने किसी से लिफ्ट ली, किसी ने वॉक किया. ट्रेन्स चल रही थी, ट्रेन्स खाली थी. चर्च गेट पे आए, एंड द इंस्टीट्यूट इज वेरी नियर द ट्रेन स्टेशन. तो 44 में से ऑलमोस्ट 42 स्टूडेंट्स शोड अप. And that class, he didn't take on financial planning. What changed my life forever? He just spoke about power of intention. And he said that if you truly want something, you will always do it. And how he motivated us before we actually showed up. He started off with this intention thing. And he said that, look, मैं आपको क्लास में आने को कह रहा हूं on a strike day when everything will be shut. पर मान लो ये ऐसा दिन है और आप घर पे हो, and your father or mother has a heart attack which needs immediate hospitalization, and there is Bharat Bandh that day, आप क्या करोगे? Will you wait for the next day to take your father, mother to hospital? Just because taxis are not plying and best buses are not running, what will you do? Will you take your father or mother to hospital or not? पूरी क्लास में चुप्पी छा गई थी. सबने बोला we will do whatever it takes, but we will take our father or mother to hospital. वो कहता है अगर वो इंटेंशन तुम्हारी इसमें लाओ, and I want to see how many of you people are truly intending to meet this commitment despite Bharat Bandh. That's how he motivated us. And that's when we learned. And next lecture, when we went on that Bharat Bandh day, he only talked about intention. और एक ही गुरु मंत्र उन्होंने दिया कि अगर तुम ट्रूली कोई भी चीज जिंदगी में डिजायर करते हो, then also must have true intention to do whatever it takes to meet your commitment. आज डिवोर्सेस क्यों हो रहे हैं? I am only amplifying this problem of commitment. If you don't learn how to keep your commitment, your personal lives are also going to be shattered. Forget the corporate life. Corporate life में तो बिना commitment के you will not move anywhere. And we are talking about creating happiness in our life. And happiness is when the outcome of our actions is in line with our expectation. Our mind is desiring to be successful. Our mind wants to make money. Our mind wants progress in life. But we are not following up on that intention with action. Here we look for, again, like last lecture we said, we look for barriers. And then time management becomes one barrier. We know that we are not managing our time well. And what does time management mean? सुबह 10 बजे लेक्चर है, कल रात को 2 बजे तक पार्टी, 2:30 बजे तक हुई, फिर 4 बजे जाके सोए. So what has happened? Intention was not there. Accept that. Your intention was चलता है. And now I am telling you as an Indian, because having done business in so many countries today, more than 56 countries. अब आपको मैं एक एक्चुअल आपके आसपास का रियलिटी दिखाता हूं. इंडिया को इंडिपेंडेंस मिली 1947 में. डेनमार्क, स्वीडन वगैरह ये 1908 से लेके 1916 में, देवर ऑल्सो अंडर द रूल. उनको 1908, 1916 में मिली. जापान में हिरोशिमा हुआ 1945 में. और चाइना started coming out of the clutches of communism and started the industrial progress somewhere in the early 50s. हमारे बाद USA, Germany, all these countries were devastated in the Second World War. So we are talking about Germany, USA, Japan, China, Korea, Sweden, Denmark, Norway. These are the countries. They started their journeys almost around the same time. Journey to progress. But what makes a country is its people. Aaj Japan, China, you look at their economic position, USA, Germany, and you look at where India is. We like to take pride, and we should as Indians. But you know what? With the second largest population, when you compare our actual accomplishments in terms of per capita earnings, in terms of basic amenities for women, basic amenities for old people, basic education for the children around India, so many social evils, and the divide between the rich and the poor growing bigger and bigger and bigger. Our healthcare, basic healthcare, amenities like clean water. You compare yourself with China. Why? Because they are also equally populous. There is a big gap. And one of the reasons is our time management, our commitment, our respect for deadlines, our basic ethics and values, corruption. And this needs to be changed. And there are several more, our poor execution. ये चलता है attitude. our attitude itself towards life. And these are the things that are there in our scriptures. You know, if you read Bhagavad Gita, if you read some of the Vedas, Germans, they have learned Sanskrit to come and study our Vedas. I don't know if I told you, but at Dusseldorf station, I was met by a German. He was wearing our Indian dress, orange robe. And he approached me and he said Namaste in Hindi. He spoke to me in Hindi. And he said, "Aap India se hain, I want you to come and visit our ashram." And because I had time that weekend in Dusseldorf, I went to their ashram. And you know what? How many scriptures, all Indian scriptures, Veda, मैंने India में नहीं देखे जितने मैंने वहाँ देखे, and they were conducting classes. There were some Indians also associated there. They were doing what? Research on Ayurveda. And our Ayurvedic medicines, they are very popular in Germany. Maybe news to you, but yoga is more popular in the US and UK and all these countries now. Our India truly lives outside of India. It's one of the topics that we, those of you who have family members in US. So what are we saying? We are sitting on the pile of knowledge, and you are part of that institute which Dada has started, and his own teachings are the blessings. आपको अगर अपना माइंड इंजीनियरिंग करके और ऐसा पावरफुल माइंड बनाना है which will create happiness for yourself, abundance for yourself and your others around you, then please let's get serious. Abhi time management, commitment is something that you will truly meet with your intention. So the word is what? Intention. Intention is that you come what may, whatever you have to face, overcome, you will plan enough time to overcome the challenge, but to meet your commitment. Take it in your personal life. Now I am giving you another story on commitment from my life, because we learn with stories. And I don't know whether I just recently shared, what was it in your class where Dipali or Shraddha? Just tell me, did I tell you the story of my life, that at the age of 25, how I got opportunity to present before the Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi? I think I discussed in your class or in another class.
No, sir, you haven't.
Huh?
No, sir, you did not.
I did not. Okay. One of my problems is इतने lecture होते हैं ना, तो मेरे हफ्ते में कम से कम 3, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा 10. So I get confused. Okay, this is the story of commitment. This is the story of intention. This is the story of sacrifice. And this is the story of this sir who taught me on campus the power of intention and the power of commitment, and how I used it in my first job, which was Larsen and Toubro. I told you that I passed out from BITS Pilani. I was an engineer from BITS Pilani. I went to Jamnalal Bajaj. I worked for Larsen Toubro for 6 months before joining Jamnalal Bajaj. And as luck would have it, my first child was also born in 1985. And I got married in 84. I passed out in 83. Important for you to give the milestones. And in 1985, I was the executive assistant to the entire board of Larsen Toubro. And what it meant was all the critical decisions, new projects, which were obviously crores worth of projects, I was the only MBA executive assistant and engineer who was preparing all these project reports, evaluating different project reports, preparing all the short notes, summaries, etc. for the presentation to the board of directors. And those days we used to have 12 full-time directors and I think 3 part-time directors. So 15 log board meeting mein aate the, which used to be there every month. So there are different foreign collaborators coming for different coming with different technologies which L&T wanted to sign agreements with to buy technology, or they were joint venture partners. तो ये सारे जो projects evaluate मेरी task थी. And those were the days when natural gas was found in basin offshore. और ये natural gas के basis के ऊपर सारे बड़े 5 बड़े प्रोजेक्ट्स बन रहे थे जो कि फर्टिलाइजर प्रोजेक्ट्स, हजीरा से विजयपुर से जगदीशपुर. इट वाज मोर देन आई थिंक 4000 किलोमीटर्स ऑड पाइपलाइन, नेचुरल पाइपलाइन, एंड उसके ऊपर ये सारे फर्टिलाइजर प्रोजेक्ट्स बन रहे थे. एंड राजीव गांधी वाज इलेक्टेड ऑफ कोर्स आफ्टर इंदिरा गांधी's unfortunate murder in 1984, and Rajiv Gandhi being the young leader at that time. In 1985 when Rajiv Gandhi came, it was a deflection point in Indian history. Why? Because until then हम लोगों ने इंडिया को बहुत प्रोटेक्टेड वे में चलाया. One of the reasons why Japan became Japan, coming back to what I started, and why India is behind in terms of exports, in terms of conquering global markets. Just to give you a perspective, India exports about $340–350 billion of total value from India. A company which you know, which is by the name Walmart, American company, their turnover is $450 billion. एक कंपनी का टर्नओवर, और पूरे इंडिया का एक्सपोर्ट is almost 70–75% of the one American company's turnover. Just to give you perspective, कि आज इंडिया के प्रोडक्ट्स हम कितने, we take pride. This is not a case with China. China exports are much bigger than India. They're 7.5 times bigger than our economy. Okay, we keep comparing India, China, but frankly, they are an elephant. We are a goat in front of them. Just to give you a perspective. But we are a beautiful goat. We take pride in our beauty. That's fine. But the fact is, 2 policies. Nehru family came to power. The policy was what? हम लोग self-sufficiency. We will make for our population. Now again, spiritual principle के साथ relate करना. What did we learn? To give. Inclusion. We include the global population. दादा ने क्या बोला है? One of the concepts. Vasudev Kutumbakam. The world is our family. I'm connecting spirituality at the country level, not just the corporate level. What did India start with? No, my family is India, not the world. What did Japanese do? Leaders. जापान तो छोटी सी कंट्री है, वो कितना माल बनाएंगे, जापान में बेचेंगे. So they said, no, our family is the world. Inclusion. This happened in 1945. After Hiroshima, Japan was totally devastated. और आज भी अगर आप जापान में जाओ, उन एरियाज में जाओ ना, तो you will see children with so many deformities. 4 हाथ वाले बच्चे देखे मैंने। आपको रोना आएगा वहां पे जो एग्जीबिशन उन्होंने बनाए हैं आफ्टर द सेकंड वर्ल्ड वॉर, जो न्यूक्लियर बॉम्ब के बाद, द काइंड ऑफ फिजिकल एलिमेंट्स बिकॉज ऑफ म्यूटेशंस एंड ऑल दैट। 2 नाक, 4 आंख, तीसरी आंख, पिक्चर्स हैं। ऐसी हालत के बाद जापानीज एक स्पिरिचुअल कॉन्सेप्ट जिसको मैं कहता हूं दैट इज ऑफ इंक्लूजन, द वर्ल्ड, I will succeed, and I will succeed by conquering the world economically. I will make sure that every person in the world is using Japanese product or technology. That was the commitment. Having suffered the pain, and again, one more spiritual concept I'm giving you. You always grow through the pain. Pain comes in your life, sent by the divine, so that he wants you to grow as a human being. He wants you to grow. Any painful experience in your life has made you a better person. Think about it. So when pain happens, it is there for some reason. So look at Japan. Too much pain, made a commitment. The entire country made a commitment. What did they do? They imported 1947-48 का बात बता रहा हूं मैं आपको. Japan was known the way China was known couple of years ago for flimsy products. एकदम fragile product. आज खरीदा कल टूट गया. That is what was of Japanese reputation. और ये कमिटमेंट आने के बाद दे स्टार्टेड इंपोर्टिंग. उन्होंने टीवी मंगाए. कहां से? उस समय अमेरिका वाज रूलिंग. व्हाट एम आई टेलिंग यू? जस्ट पावरफुल कॉन्सेप्ट्स ऑफ कमिटमेंट and inclusion, which are spiritual concepts, that made Japan a highly respectable country 50 years later. So much so that the whole world is looking towards Japanese and Americans and Germans and some of these Sweden, etc. These countries. आज अगर आप देखो तो whatever you are seeing, the technologies are developed in these countries. India is a back office. We are copying. We are manufacturing at low cost, but we are not innovators. So these are very powerful concepts, commitment and inclusion, which are spiritual concepts. You see them in play and you see their benefits at the country level. तो Japanese ने 47-48 में America से TVs, automobiles, everything that America was making, which was at that time the number one, मंगाने शुरू किए. They opened up. And then they realized that now let's work on each component and make it better than what Americans are doing. That's how their innovation started. And that's how companies like Toyota were born. Honda were born. Lots of them in chemicals field. Nuclear reactors. Japan took the lead at that time to create power, etc. Right? Medical technology. And I want you to study जो हम हिंदी में संस्कार बोलते हैं. ये आपका जो बिहेवियर है ना, ये हमारे संस्कार के कारण है. जापानीज संस्कार. हमने एक्चुअली रिलीजन को सिर्फ वेजिटेरियन नॉन वेजिटेरियन में बांट के सारी दुनिया को मिसगाइड कर दिया. जापान इज अ नॉन वेजिटेरियन कंट्री. जर्मनी इज अ नॉन वेजिटेरियन कंट्री. अमेरिका इज अ नॉन वेजिटेरियन कंट्री. But look at their work ethics. आज अगर जापानीज को कमिटमेंट करी या जापानीज ने कमिटमेंट करी, he will meet on deadline, before deadline. Never ever और टोयोटा की तो काफी मैनेजमेंट में केस स्टडीज हैं जो कि आप लोगों ने पढ़ी होंगी, नहीं पढ़ी तो मैं भी पढ़ा दूंगा. All these brands, I have case studies of how they became brands. But what we are talking about is about commitment. ये commitment जब आई उनमें, innovation उन्होंने किया. Why? Because commitment से एक चीज पैदा होती है ना दिल में, कि कोई भी डिफिकल्टी आएगी उसको मैंने ओवरकम करना है. कैसे करना है? यूनिवर्स गाइड्स यू, पर तुम्हारी कमिटमेंट कितनी स्ट्रांग है उसके ऊपर है. सब कुछ होना शुरू हो जाता है, टाइम मैनेजमेंट शुरू होना शुरू हो जाता है, R&D शुरू हो जाता है, ऑल्टरनेटिव टेक्नोलॉजीज डेवलप होनी शुरू हो जाती हैं, लोग आते हैं, लोगों को डिवाइन पावर्स मिलती हैं, ये सब सोचने की आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स. बिकॉज देयर इज एवरीथिंग इन द यूनिवर्स. योर इंटेंशन हैज टू बी स्ट्रांग. यूनिवर्स इज वेटिंग टू रिवॉर्ड यू. दैट इज द स्पिरिचुअल प्रिंसिपल. And if you don't understand that, learn from what I'm telling you, stories of Japan and India. So Japanese thought of making for the world. वो इंडिया से आयरन ओर लेके गए ऑल द वे और स्टील बनाया जापान में, और स्टील में नंबर 1 मैन्युफैक्चरर्स बने. उनके पास तो आयरन ओर नहीं था, उनके पास कोई भी बेसिक रॉ मटेरियल नहीं थे. सारी दुनिया में जाके उन्होंने रॉ मटेरियल्स लाए जापान में. व्हाई? बिकॉज दे वांटेड टू मेक इट फॉर द वर्ल्ड. इंक्लूजन. इंडिया ने क्या किया? नहीं, मेरी तो इंडिया फैमिली है, मेरे को इंपोर्ट नहीं करना है, मेरे को सेल्फ सफिशिएंसी लानी है. तो इंडिया ने क्या किया? हम गाड़ियां बनाएंगे. कितनी बनाएंगे? 12,000 गाड़ियां बनाएंगे साल में. कितनी डिमांड है? इतनी डिमांड है इंडिया में. So Fiat was born and Ambassador was born. As long as 1986 हमारे देश में Fiat और Ambassador के अलावा कोई गाड़ी नहीं थी. और ये गाड़ियां जो मॉडल 1986 तक, which is maybe 40 years after independence, वही गाड़ियां थी. 50s में भी चल रही थी, 60s में भी चल रही थी, 70s में भी चल रही थी और 80s में भी चल रही थी. इंक्लूजन नहीं किया था हमारी कंट्री ने कि हम दुनिया के लिए बनाएंगे. हम किसके लिए बनाएंगे? हिंदुस्तान के लिए बनाएंगे. और दुनिया को से हम खरीदेंगे भी नहीं, तो वो भी इंक्लूजन नहीं था. हमने इंपोर्ट बैन कर रखे थे. जब इंपोर्ट बैन कर दिए तो व्हाई वुड फिएट एंड एम्बेसडर थिंक ऑफ इनोवेटिंग एंड बिकमिंग बेटर? नहीं बने, सालों साल तक नहीं बने. Why I said 1985 was the deflection point for India, and Rajiv Gandhi came in. He said, "nahi, if India has to prosper, we have to create competition here. Let everyone from abroad come in, and we try to sell in Indian market so that हमारे जो Indian manufacturers हैं, when they have to compete with the best, then only they will come out of their slumber." जो आप लोग को भी करना पड़ेगा. जिस दिन आपको जब पता लगेगा ना कि बाहर का कंपटीशन कैसे है, and you are going to seek the same jobs which other management institute people are going after, that's when you will realize कि आपने अपने आप को empower कितना किया है. And that is what is going to decide your first job. So come out of your slumber, because competition is going to wake you up. All these things that you will see is such a stupidity that we are even talking about starting a class on time. Because you will only be a desirepreneur, you will not be an entrepreneur. And सारी दुनिया, dreaming is everyone's right. That dog on the street also is dreaming. तो अगर आपने ड्रीम किया तो कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है. आपने एक्ट किया कि नहीं? आपने ये जो principles of spirituality which are been at play, which made Japan the way it is today, because of inclusion, because of intention, because of commitment. What are these? These are spiritual principles. तो जो मैं, coming back to my story, 1985 में राजीव गांधी decided कि we will bring zero duty on capital goods. और capital goods कौन बनाता है? Larsen Toubro बनाता है, and there are lots of companies in Pune itself, right? Tata's and Godrej and Kirloskers and जो भी आपके वहां पे पिंपरी चिंचवाड़ वगैरह एरिया में lots of people making machines etc, right? अब 0% ड्यूटी जब इंडिया ने घोषित कर दिया 1985 में, और राजीव गांधी क्या है अपनी पूरी टीम लेके आया था, बनाई उसने पहले तो टीम जिसमें मोंटेक सिंह आलूवालिया, प्रणय रॉय हु इज टुडे बिग स्टार, वो भी डॉक्टर जयराम रमेश, ये सारे लोग मतलब they were all studied in Wharton, Harvard, some were working in US. Montag Singh Ahluwalia was also brought. Absolutely best economists, best RBI के लिए जो गवर्नर वगैरह सब कुछ लेके आया। उन्होंने बोला कि सर इंडिया में बहुत ज्यादा प्रोटेक्शन हो चुका है, इसके कारण यहाँ की इंडस्ट्री जो है एकदम अपने कंफर्ट जोन में चली गई है, ये लोग कुछ भी R&D नहीं करे, सब पुराने प्रोडक्ट्स बिक रहे हैं, और ये प्रोडक्ट्स लेके हम एक्सपोर्ट में तो कभी जा ही नहीं सकते, क्योंकि अगर इंडिया एज अ कंट्री इज नॉट अर्निंग फॉरेन एक्सचेंज तो हम क्रूड कहाँ से इंपोर्ट करेंगे? क्रूड इंपोर्ट करने के लिए हमको फॉरेन एक्सचेंज चाहिए। सो वी वर इन अ डीप ट्रबल। इंडिया ने एक टाइम पे गोल्ड रखा हुआ है स्विट्जरलैंड में लोन पे, उसके सामने फॉरेन एक्सचेंज लिया था। वाई? क्योंकि हमारी सोच हमेशा हमारी फैमिली के बाहर जाना ही नहीं है, हमने सोचना ही नहीं है, इंक्लूड करना ही नहीं है। So we were struggling. Now when 0% duty was brought in, सारी कैपिटल गुड्स इंडस्ट्री में एकदम हाहाकार मच गया कि अबे अब क्या करेंगे, हमारा तो बिजनेस चला जाएगा, क्योंकि सारी फाइनेंसिंग फॉर दीज फर्टिलाइजर प्रोजेक्ट्स एंड मेनी अदर प्रोजेक्ट्स वर बाय वर्ल्ड बैंक, और वर्ल्ड बैंक का ओपन बिडिंग था, जिसका सस्ता माल होगा वो बेचेगा, और इंडियंस का तो सस्ता था ही नहीं। देयर वाज मिनिमम 25-30% डिसएडवांटेज इन टर्म्स ऑफ आवर कॉस्टिंग, हमारा पावर कॉस्ट, हमारा लैंड कॉस्ट, हमारा लेबर कॉस्ट, हमारा स्टील कॉस्ट, हमारा प्रोडक्टिविटी, ऑल दीज, हमारा फाइनेंस कॉस्ट वाज द हाईएस्ट इन द वर्ल्ड, आज भी है। तो हम कॉम्पिटिटिवली वो प्रोडक्ट्स बनाएं, और जर्मन मैन्युफैक्चरर्स, अमेरिकन मैन्युफैक्चरर्स, चाइनीज मैन्युफैक्चरर के सामने हम कम्पीट नहीं कर सकते थे। सो देयर वाज एन इमरजेंसी मीटिंग कॉल्ड इन Larsen Toubro। 5 बजे मैं शाम को बैठा था, ये मीटिंग खत्म हो गई, बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स, आई वाज नॉट पार्ट ऑफ द मीटिंग। दोस डेज वी यूज्ड टू हैव चेयरमैन कॉल्ड मिस्टर NM Desai, and there was another director, Mr. UV Rao, and there was another director, DL Pradhan. At 5 o'clock, 5:30 बजे हमारा ऑफिस खत्म होता था। 5 बजे मेरे कंधे पे हाथ रखा चेयरमैन एंड मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर ने, एंड ही गेव मी अ बिग पाइल ऑफ फाइल्स। हर एक कंपनी का फाइल था, और कम से कम 25 कंपनियां थी उसमें। उन्होंने डेटा बनाया था कि अगर 0% ड्यूटी इंपोर्ट पे कर दी गई तो हमारा कंपनी को कितना लॉस होगा, और ये सारा इंडस्ट्री का डेटा मेरे को कंपाइल करने के लिए 5 बजे दिया गया, और दूसरे दिन 10 बजे सबकी मीटिंग थी टू डिस्कस दिस डेटा एट द कंट्री लेवल। और उन दिनों ये पावर पॉइंट प्रेजेंटेशंस हुआ नहीं करते थे। So, and my first child was born, he was 6 months, and naturally मेरे को हर रोज टाइम पे घर भागना होता था टू प्ले विद माई सन। और 5 बजे तो मेरे पास अब कोई ऑप्शन था नहीं, उन्होंने इतनी सारी फाइल दी। दूसरे 10 बजे उन्होंने बोला दैट अरुण, आई वांट यू टू कम एट 9 o'clock and give me the presentation, then I will make the presentation to the Indian industry. Also, Mr. Tata is coming, Mr. Jamshed Godrej is coming, all the big wigs, those page 3 personalities. अब 5 बजे मेरे को मिला, अभी कमिटमेंट की बात बता रहा हूँ। अब कमिटमेंट तो मैंने ले ली, पता नहीं था फाइल के अंदर क्या था, मेरे को लगा था 3 घंटे 4 घंटे में बना दूंगा। कमिटमेंट ले ली। अब इंटेंशन डावाडोल होने लगी। जब मैं डेटा स्टडी करना शुरू किया और लिखना शुरू किया और कंपाइल करना शुरू किया तो रात के 9 बज गए। आधा डेटा भी नहीं हुआ था। अब मेरी इंटेंशन थी कि घर पहुंचूं, जल्दी जल्दी से काम करूं, घास काट दूं, जो हम क्या बोलते हैं ना, घास काटने वाला काम कर सकता था मैं, क्योंकि हर एक फाइल में उनकी समरी थी तो मैं समरी ले, पर मेरे को डिटेल देखने थे। अब फाइट मेरे अंतर, जिसको अंतर्द्वंद्व बोलते हैं, क्योंकि आप लोग हिंदी हिंदी आती है मेरे को, चल रहा था कि मैं अच्छा काम करूं, ताजमहल बनाऊं, कि बस काम चलाऊ काम कर दूं, एक बिल्डिंग बना दूं जो कि कल दिखा दे। टॉकिंग अबाउट डिवोशन एंड डेडिकेशन नाउ। मेरी अंदर की आत्मा, द सोल विच इज रिजाइडिंग इन माई इनर वर्ल्ड, गाइडेड मी, अरुण काम तो अच्छा करना जो दुनिया देखे। मैं गया चाय पीना, मेरे दिमाग में चल रहा था अब क्या करूं, 2 घंटे में खत्म करूं, 3 घंटे में करूं, पर मेरा नीचे आया कॉफी पी के, तो मेरे को कहा नहीं आज एक बढ़िया काम करते हैं, इसमें एक अपॉर्चुनिटी आई है, बहुत बढ़िया काम करके मैं बताऊं। मैं पूरी रात, उन दिनों पावर पॉइंट नहीं होता था तो उधर स्लाइड्स बनाना पड़ता था हाथ से स्टेंसिल के साथ। मैंने 29 स्लाइड्स बनाई इंडस्ट्री लेवल की, जिसमें L&T वगैरह सबका, गोडरेज, बॉयस, ये वो सारा अपना टाटा वगैरह सबका डेटा आया। गवर्नमेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन भी थी, मेजगॉन डॉक्स वगैरह। वो डेटा जब कंपाइल करके, जब मैंने सुबह, आई डिडंट रियलाइज कि टाइम कैसे पास हो गया, और मैं पूरी रात लगा रहा, बीच में सिर्फ 2-3 बार कॉफी पीने गया, वो भी 12 बजे के बाद कहीं मिलती नहीं थी। पर सुबह 9 बजे Mr. Desai put his hand on my shoulder and he said, Arun, you've not gone home? I looked up and I looked at my slides and I looked at the files. I said, sir, you gave me this job at 5 p.m. yesterday, and when I started going through the data, I had so much to compile and summarize that I thought that I had to do a justice to the job that you had trusted me with. हम जब कमिटमेंट की बात करते हैं तो ट्रस्ट भी आता है बेटा उसमें। And I said, let's get you some breakfast. You haven't eaten anything. Come to my cabin, and then you tell me everything, and then you can go home and you can take rest. मैंने कहा ठीक है। मैं पूरा फाइल्स वगैरह और अपना वो 29 स्लाइड्स बनाई थी, ट्रांसपेरेंसीज बोलते थे हम, लेके उनके यहाँ चला गया। As luck would have it, he was the chairman and managing director of Larsen Toubro, which was one of those most respected company. And then at 10 o'clock, the meeting was happening where all these big personalities of Indian industry were to come. तो उनका वो जो पुराने मूवीज देखी होगी तो 7-8 अलग अलग रंग के फोन होते हैं ना बॉसेस के पास, तो उनका ऑफिस वैसा था, बहुत बड़ा ऑफिस था। एंड वन आफ्टर द अदर द फोन केप्ट रिंगिंग। अब मेरा ब्रेकफास्ट आ गया, चाय भी होगी, कॉफी होगी, ब्रेकफास्ट भी हो गया, बट boss was always on phone. He didn't get time to listen to me and get prepared. मैंने बनाया क्या था, उनको टाइम ही नहीं था। Suddenly the secretary walks in and says, sir, Mr. Tata has come and Mr. Godrej is also waiting now. Everybody is there. More than 16 people are there and it's going to be 10 o'clock. So what should I do? Should I order tea, coffee, what all snacks वगैरह? That's when the boss realized, अरे बाप रे टाइम हो गया, मैंने तो कुछ अरुण ने क्या बनाया देखा ही नहीं। That's when he said, Arun, we didn't find time to go through what you've done. Can you come and make the presentation? I said, sure, sir. Now, guess what? I was 25 years old. First time, जिन लोगों को मैंने सिर्फ न्यूज़पेपर्स में देखा था, they were sitting in front of me and I was making the presentation. तो मैं, I don't know what, I just prayed. My nervousness went away because that thoroughness with which I had studied those files, dedication, devotion, diligence, and sincerity to the job, that gave me the confidence. ये सारे spiritual qualities हैं, which we said makes our inner world. But I practiced them. That gave me strength to stand in front of these people. And the first thing I told them, I said, each slide is about a minute and a half. There are 29 slides. So about 45 minutes presentation this is. If you have any questions, ask me as I am going through so that I can improve upon this presentation. और मैंने presentation शुरू किया, लोगों ने बीच में क्वेश्चन पूछे. I started, I don't know, इतना thoroughly मैंने स्टडी किया हुआ था, मैंने सब क्वेश्चंस का आंसर दिया. 3 घंटा मीटिंग चली वो. और मीटिंग खत्म होने के बाद Mr. Ratan Tata himself told Mr. N.M. Desai, निक्की बोला करते थे वो, उनको निकनेम से उनका निक्की था. Nikki, why don't we take Arun along with us tomorrow? Let him make the presentation the way he did. He did a brilliant job today. मेरे को तो पता नहीं था tomorrow कहाँ जाना है. And everybody, Jamshed got it. Yes, let's do that. Great idea. So Mr. Desai asked me, Arun, you can come tomorrow? I said, sure, sir. मेरे को पता नहीं था जाना कहाँ है, मेरे को लगा था इधर ही कहीं होगा. Tomorrow we are flying to Delhi. In the morning, evening, you have to make this presentation to the Prime Minister's Secretariat. Wow. Rajiv Gandhi को मैंने presentation देना है, age 25. Of course, long story short, because now we are short on time. Next day, मेरे पास पैसे भी नहीं थे उस समय. मैं ऑफिस छोड़ के जा गया. पहला मैंने टाई खरीदा, सूट खरीदा. वाइफ को फोन किया कि ऐसा ऐसा हो गया, मैं तो जा रहा हूँ, दिल्ली जा रहा हूँ, और वो भी पीएमओ ऑफिस में. I am making the presentations. I was excited and thrilled and nervous, all mixed feelings. दूसरे दिन I made up. I mean, sitting in front of me were all these dignitaries. And imagine standing on the dais and making the presentation. And of course, all these people from the industry were sitting on the dais also, and I was on the platform making the presentation with those slides. And of course, it was very well received. Next day, the government policy got revised from 0% import duty. The duty was levied at 25%, which was the conclusion in my presentation. 25% cost disadvantage Indian industry has vis-a-vis imports. See the 25%, and industry was so happy. Of course, ये story का बहुत आगे भी हिस्सा है, because that opened up so many doors for me later on to become what I am today. But the conclusion is, beta, if you are having a strong intention, and if you respect your commitment, and if you follow dedication, devotion, and are willing to make sacrifices, these are all spiritual principles, which is the inner world creating principles, and you practice them without fail, the universe rewards you with those kind of opportunities that you never dreamt of. Never dreamt of. And 2 months later, I got a call from Canadian High Commissioner. My name was recommended by some industry bigwigs to become a trade consultant for the government of Canada, with office at Oberoi Towers, which I think I've shared with you. 3 rooms I had, Toyota car I had, driver I had, and I was dealing with Dhirubhai Ambani's and the Tatas and all the top brass of India, trying to sell them Canadian technologies, trying to bring them from Canada to India, I was making trips to Canada to sell India to Canadians, and I was selling Canada to Indians. And the job salary was in dollars. And that opened up my new world of making international connections for my own entrepreneurship, which was my dream. This is how universe gives you. But universe will give you beta only and only if you are genuinely having strong commitment and you are practicing. सिर्फ बातें नहीं, practice में चाहिए. You will surprise yourself. Okay? So thank you. I hope all these actual stories will inspire you, will try to make you a better human being. And after that, universe will open gates. जो मांगना है मांगो, मिलेगा. Okay? Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. I'm very impressed. Actually, it is very true, sir. If there is dedication and commitment towards your work, success will follow you. Yes, sir. It's very, very true, sir. Thank you, sir. And I hope from today's lecture, the student will definitely follow the deadlines and commitments, and they will be successful in their lives, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
I pray for that to happen. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
So these are the qualities you will need in corporate world tomorrow. This is where I tell you only those companies today are creating wealth
Yeah, sir.
that are committed to customer service, that are committed to their employees, that are committed to their suppliers. Okay, so these are not shallow words. Practice them, and you will amaze yourself. Yeah. I don't know if there is
I mean, I like this word, sir. The sentence, when you are dedicated, when you are committed, the universe will give you back. Yes, sir, it's true. It's a new learning for me also, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay. So next lecture we will have for 1.5 hours.
Yes, sir.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow, sir, 10 to 11.
Then you let me know from when we can increase the timing.
Yes, sir. Yes. On Saturday, we will keep from 10 to 11:30, no? So weekdays will be also okay for you, sir?
So Saturday we are not having the lecture.
But
because
we will have, okay.
Saturday lecture we'll reschedule. So that 1 hour we distribute over other lectures
Okay, sir.
so that we don't lose on
So
time.
can we take from, I will let you know, sir, today.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so
Okay.
much.
God bless.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Bye.